Oh, you caught me. Hi, this is Valerie Van Pelt with Coldwell Banker. I was just looking at my new listing in the Dallas Morning News and dreaming of what it would be like to live in this house. Ah, the possibilities. Oh, shoot. I need to get back to work. But isn't it nice having a Murphy bed in your office? Look how quickly I can put it up. And this room can also be used as a guest room. Better get back to work. Oh my gosh, I'm just enjoying the shower. It's got a bench and it's a walk-through. How many times do you find that in a house? Oh, hi. I'm just cooking in my outdoor grill. Oops. I forgot to take the wrapper off. Oh well. But nonetheless, look at this beautiful patio with the furniture and the beautiful trees and landscaping. You know, when I was a kid, we used to go camping and roast marshmallows. Now I can do it in my own dream house in my fire pit. And this house has the perfect man cave to watch the game.
Yeah, let's go.
Well, you caught me. I was dreaming of cooking in my bowl-top German kitchen. It's so ergonomic. Check it out. Look at my pantry. And then all my dishes are perfectly stacked up. Look at all the space underneath the sink. A hidden dishwasher. And my fridge. Oh, hi again. I was dreaming about this jacuzzi tub and taking a bubble bath. And drinking a glass of wine. After a long day of work, with my fireplace, my TV, I just can't imagine having all of this in one home. Hi. God, it's been a long day. But all I could think about was coming to this beautiful home and crashing in this beautiful bedroom and thinking about how I really need to work hard so I can enjoy this kind of lifestyle. Good night.